Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium hard question in the database/pandas category that I just solved on my own without any assistance. So really glad about that I was able to come up with my own solution without any help. So very straightforward. I think this one you just have to follow the instructions and do exactly what they say and you should probably get it. So what they want you to do is write a solution to find the top 3 trending hashtags in 24. It doesn't really matter because all of them are 24, and just sort in descending order. So basically any word that starts with a hashtag, count how many times it appears in the whole thing. So happy day appears 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And then tech life appears 2 times, so 1 and 2, and then work life appears once. So we want to sort by the count, the frequency, how many times it appears, and then by the alphabetical order. So work life would come before, for example, innovation, because work life is in reverse order. W is bigger than I. So let's go ahead and do exactly that. So let's go ahead and loop through tweets, tweet to get all the tweets. And what we want to do is, because this is a messy string, we want to split it by spaces so we get each word separated. So if we print cur, we get a list. Cool. And now we can iterate over the list and say if the first index 0 is a hashtag, then we can pay attention to that one, right? And we also want to count how many times that hashtagged word appears as the value in the dictionary and the actual word itself as the key. So let's go ahead for C and cur, iterate over this list and say if C of 0 is equal to a hashtag, then in that case we know that we can include it. And then at the end, if we print D, we should get all the hashtag words and how many times they appear in the whole thing. So happy day 3, morning vibes, for example, this lines up. And let's just turn this into a list with items so it's easier to read. And then also we want to sort by first the count and then also by this in reverse order. So let's say d.sort key equals lambda x1 and then x0 reverse order, reverse equals true. We'll pass that parameter variable there because it says right here count of hashtag and then hashtag in descending order. Happy day tech life work life. Cool. So now we have our answer and pretty straightforward. So let's just create the skeleton that we're going to return. Data frame. Let's call this tweets. Columns equals to hashtag and count, and dot head 3 because it literally says right there we want top 3 trending hashtags. So we have the skeleton now, and then we just have to populate it with data. So let's populate these 2 columns with dummy values. Tweets hashtag, let's just say it's equal to whatever, doesn't matter, and then tweets count is equal to whatever, like 0. And now we just have to populate the first 3. So for A and D from left to right, top to bottom, and let's have a count to do that. This is just the way I like to do it. So filling each cell like this using what we have, and we can just say tweets of hashtag of count is a 0, and then tweets count of count is a 1. Okay, and then let's run it and submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, really glad that I was able to solve this question on my own without any assistance and come up with my own solution relatively easily. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.